Shelton is well known for teaching technical skills. We had a need to bring in people that could come in and within a reasonable period of time perform to a high standard. We also knew that it takes intensive training to do this. Shelton has the assets to actually send us a person that's not only knowledgeable and has the ability, but also has the skills to perform on our jobs. It actually gives the people that come on board with us a head start as far as technical skills are concerned. We spend a lot of time, because of the specialization of our equipment, training them. They get a lot of the training beforehand, and Shelton is very good when it comes to the training. They get exposed to all sorts of different equipment, situations, and they learn a variety of skills. That speeds up their training process with us. So we're able to put them in an actual, real-world, fast-paced situation, and they can perform. It definitely separates them from the pool. It puts them above the average person that's in the pool.